Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use pre-workout. First, understand that pre-workout supplements are designed to boost your energy, focus, and endurance during exercise. They typically contain a blend of ingredients like caffeine for alertness, creatine for strength, and beta-alanine for reducing fatigue. It's crucial to always check the specific product label for its unique ingredient list and recommended serving size before you begin. Timing is key for maximizing pre-workout benefits. Generally, you should consume your pre-workout supplement about 20 to 30 minutes before you start exercising. This allows enough time for the ingredients to be absorbed and take effect. When you're new to a product, always begin with a half serving to gauge your body's reaction. Also, be mindful of the caffeine content and avoid taking it too late in the day to prevent sleep disruption. Proper hydration is essential when using pre-workout, as some ingredients can be dehydrating. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout your day, especially around your workout. To maintain effectiveness and prevent your body from building a tolerance, it's a good idea to cycle off pre-workout for a few weeks every couple of months. Also, be cautious not to combine pre-workout with other stimulant-heavy drinks or supplements. While generally safe, some individuals might experience side effects like jitters, an upset stomach, or a tingling sensation from beta-alanine. If you have any pre-existing health conditions, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating pre-workout into your routine. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your dosage as needed. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.